In other news, the Jamaica Mortgage Bank, JMB, is in discussions with other lending institutions to secure a $2 billion loan to facilitate its investment program. The JMB says the funds will be used to build affordable homes for low and middle income earners. Dr. Guy says the agency is also moving aggressively to eliminate bad debts.
The JMB is currently in discussion with other lending institutions for loans of approximately $2 billion to finance its investment program, as they currently have over $4 billion of applications in the pipeline, including proposals to build low and middle income houses. In an effort to increase the housing stock, the Jamaica Mortgage Bank projects commitment of approximately $1.5 billion to $2 billion for this financial year to finance approximately 600 to 700 housing solutions. Further, Mr. Speaker, the Jamaica Mortgage Bank has aggressively collected over $260 million of its bad debt during the financial year.
Meanwhile, Dr. Guy says a boost in the construction sector will continue to drive housing development. This, he explains, will further stimulate the economy. He's hoping for a growth rate of 10% annually in the housing sector.
As such, the Ministry will continue to strengthen existing legislative and policy frameworks governing housing and mortgages in order to spur the revitalization of the housing market. We have listened to the people. We have heard their comments, and we have taken the advice. Consequently, in December 2014, the government lived up to its commitment and passed amendments to the Mortgage Insurance Act to allow for the percentage of the appraised value of a property on which a mortgage loan is granted to be increased from 90 to 97%. Essentially, the amendment is aimed at making mortgages more accessible to homeowners and bringing the dream of home ownership within the grasp of more Jamaicans.
And Dr. Guy says the Jamaica Mortgage Bank is perusing other initiatives. The company will be developing a home deposit financing facility program, HDFF.
Under that facility, the Jamaica Mortgage Bank will make funds available to financial intermediaries for on-lending to their customers as a home deposit loan. The maximum amount which will be given as a loan will not exceed 5% of the sale price of the property, and the property being acquired should not exceed $15 million. The Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing revised housing policy promotes public-private partnerships. And in furtherance of that, the Jamaica Mortgage Bank, in an effort to expand its reach, is using joint and syndication financing arrangements as a vehicle. As a result, the Jamaica Mortgage Bank has signed MOUs with 3 major financial institutions for joint financing of the JMB's investment program.
Dr. Maurice Guy was speaking in Parliament on Tuesday.